Hi, boys and girls. You're going to listen to the story that I'm going to read to you. And then after I read you the story, your job is to put the pieces of the puzzle in the right order. Get your listening ears on. Matt wanted to make his mom a gift. He put on his hard hat and tool belt. Then he gathered the wood, drill, and a hammer. When Matt was all finished, he had built a birdhouse for his mom. Now it's your job to move the puzzle pieces and connect them, but you want to make sure they're right in the right order. What happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. When you're all done, take a picture on the seesaw. If you need to listen to the story again, rewind the video. Have fun!